Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to reset your Amazon Firestick remote and fix batteries draining. So first, this is very easy to do, and what you want to do on your Amazon Firestick remote control is press the left on the directional pad down, the back button, and the three little lines down. So you want to press all three of these buttons down at the same time, and you want to hold this down for around 10 to 20 seconds. Then you want to release your fingers from these buttons, and you may notice the Firestick may scroll right to the top of the screen. This is perfectly normal, and what you will notice once you've released is that none of the buttons on your Firestick remote are now working. This again is perfectly normal. Now what we need to do is take the batteries out of the Firestick remote. So take the batteries out, then you want to go to the back of your TV or the wall outlet and unplug the Firestick. So there's no power going to the Firestick, so we can completely reboot it. So now I recommend waiting around 1 minute to 2 minutes before plugging back in your Amazon Firestick. Then you want to plug back in the batteries into the Firestick remote. Then we want to let the Firestick completely reboot and come back onto the main page. Then we want to connect the remote back up, and we do this by pressing down and holding the home button. You want to hold this down between 10 and 20 seconds, and it should pop up on your screen that there is a new remote connected, and you want to just press the middle select button. A good indication that the remote is trying to pair is that a flashing light should come up on your remote control. If it's not pairing, get closer to your Firestick. If the Firestick's behind the TV, move your hand behind the TV and it should pair nicely. So hopefully that will solve any issues you've been having, and that should easily pair your remote to your Firestick. If you found that helpful, don't forget to smash the like, hit the subscribe button for many more Firestick tutorials like this one, and thanks ever so much for watching.